Alright, just got this mop and I wanted to come on here and review it. So this one does come with two mops, like two actual handles, and it does come with a lot of different these attachments to go under, and you can also put these in the wash, so these can be washed and reused as well. Anyway, I'm just going to take one of them out for now. Alright, so the cool thing about this is that we have the dry part on this side and the wet part on this side. So this is where you would fill it up with water, and then this is where you would put it in to get the mop wet. And then once you take it out, it's already kind of squeezed out, so it's perfect to actually mop the floor. Alright, so I filled it up with water, and now when I get this out, it should come out wet. And you can put it back a little bit just to squeeze it. Alright, now you should be good to mop the floor. Just like this. Very easy, very smooth, amazing for hardwood and hard surfaces. Really, really good. And then once you're done, you can put it back in the dry part like this, and then the water will go back into the wet part as it squeezes out. And then it will end up drying. So that's super cool about it. And then another thing is that it does have a hole on the bottom, as you can see, so you don't have to tilt it to get the water out. Let me just show you how to get the water out. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna open this up, and then it will flow and get all the water that's in there out. So very, very simple process. You don't need to lift it and tilt it. You just need to get it out like this. You can also just put this in the bathtub, so you have even less lifting to do. But yeah, overall, this is definitely a great device. Very simple to use and also very easy to store. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.